Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to be planting in the backyard because the weather finally warmed up. And I had some melon plants in here I've already put in the ground. We're going to put a trellis up over here, and that way the cantaloupe can run up along it. Hi, how are you? Welcome back to Mom's Backyard Garden. And today we're out here. I'm revisiting my melon patch. We built the small um, enclosure for it, and we planted a bunch of melons. And let's take a look and see how they're doing. So this is about a 3 by 5 enclosure, and we put some fencing around it so the melons could trellis up. Yes, I have a bell pepper. We're sitting right there. Let's get in here a little closer. This is from the other side, and they are for sure trellising up on this. And we put a square top. I don't know if you can see that. And I may have to run string or wood across the top because they are coming straight up. They're almost to the top there. And I had to reseed a couple times. I've had chipmunks eating it. The weather killed the first ones I put in here because we had a longer cold snap than usual. It didn't warm up right away. This is the back side. See, it's not very big, but I expect to get hopefully several out of here. And there's our first one. It's getting a little larger day by day, and I'm super happy. And I did see a bee in here this morning, which has been my concern, whether or not all my flowers will get pollinated. So it's August 2nd, and let's take a look. So these are getting quite large in here. We have a few of them in here. They're hidden throughout, and we have several little ones starting. Real excited about this. Well, hopefully we're going to have many melons. And I know we have a really large one buried under the leaves down there. Can't see it though. But we have several smaller ones that are starting. And they're all throughout here. Oh my gosh. And they've grown over into the carrot, or not the carrot, well it's carrot now, but it was onions. And I think we have, yep, one coming up right there. So, we're going to have a few. Let's go around the back side. And oh my goodness, look at that one. And we got one hiding over here. Just gonna think we're gonna have several melons. I see lots of little ones popping up here. And I know I have a really big one hiding down there under there, our very first one. It was higher in there and it fell all the way down because it got heavy. So overall, super excited about this silly little melon garden. This was easy to do and it didn't take any time and almost no money at all, as we had almost everything we needed already. So next time here at Mom's Backyard Garden.